Here are a couple of budget tips and tricks. If you have the dollar budget amount you're trying to reach and you want to ensure you don't go over, go into your Add button and click Budget Level Cost. Label this budget, select percentage or dollar amount, probably dollar. Use the negative sign. Indicate your total budget amount with the negative sign and save it. And you'll see this will show up over here as a budget line item. Since it's a negative, it's taking that away from the grand total that you're spending. And now you can see how much money you have left to spend before you hit the budget. Another handy tool is if you've been paid for a few items and you'd like to indicate that in the budget, create an item level cost. Call it paid. It could be deposit paid or just paid. Select percentage or dollar amount. Then it will create a new column for you. You can now go in and again use the negative to show how much you've been paid. And the system will keep track of this for you. Make sure you indicate that it's a negative, so you can see how much is left for your total order.